Yo homies, the next exercise that we're going to be doing is the lateral leg lift, which is a exercise for the glute medialis, which is a muscle at the side of the butt. So, muscles in the butt have a few different jobs: to rotate the leg, to lift out to the side, and to extend back. We're going to be focusing on this job of lifting out to the side. Now what you want to do first is stand up, get your hand, press it deep into the side of your butt, and then just gently lift your leg out towards the side, trying to lead with your ankles. So you're just going to be pressing straight out to the side with your ankles. Don't let your foot turn out to the side. The reason why is because if your foot ends up facing in the direction of where you want to go, you're going to end up taking the stress from your glute medialis and you're going to end up putting it onto your hip flexors. So it's going to be something that you're going to feel in the front of your thighs as opposed to in the side of your butt. Don't be ignorant about that, because that makes a huge, huge difference when you're doing this. To do the exercise, what you're going to do is lay yourself down onto your side. You want to point out your body as straight as you can do, and then we're just going to lift your toes up, so your toes will be facing straight ahead. From here, get your hand, put it on the side of your butt, and just gently drive that heel out towards the side and up towards the sky. Most of you will be able to get your range to about 45 degrees, and that's probably where things are going to end. If you're able to get a lot further than that, then chances are what you're doing is turning out from the hip to get that leg up high. And remember, if we turn out from the hip, we're working the hip flexor, we're not working the glute medialis. So keep that foot facing forward, ankle facing towards the sky. Take about 2 or 3 seconds to come straight up to your max height, and slowly lower them back down. And try not to bring your ankles back together. Try and keep some constant tension on the muscle group there. But if you do need to bring your ankles back together, it's not the end of the world. Take a little bit of a breather if you need to. If you want to make this exercise significantly more difficult, you get a band and you can put them around your ankles if you want the most difficulty, or up around your knees if you want it to be a little bit easier. So if we go around the ankles, feet lifted up, leading with the ankle going upwards first, you just go straight in towards the side. And now the band is trying to pull my feet back together, so I've got tons and tons of resistance to work with there. Boom. So as I said, make sure your foot stays forward, ankle leads up towards the side. If your foot turns out, you're doing it wrong, so don't be ignorant about that, homie. Get it sorted out. This exercise burns like crazy if you get it right. I hope you enjoy it. Peace out.